Alright, let's get into this second box, y'all. Alright, hopefully that's the exclamation point of new card and not the exclamation point of disappointment. Alright, hopefully we can get some stuff in the second set of card packs. It's Gengar. We got some Tauruses. Come on, RNGs, please don't fail me now. Alright. Fingers crossed we get something nice, something new. Something new that's nice. Realistically, we want that the rest of them Bulbasaur variations, but who knows if we'll actually get them in this box. We only got 3 left. There was a Bulbasaur. Maybe it's a sign that we could get some of the variations we need. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.